Welcome to my room. This is my math classroom, and I focus on mistakes, allow thinking to happen, and these are activities. These are my projects. This is for quarter 3, incredible work. This is amusement park, equations and inequalities. Students will create a clock with equations. And for inequality, the entrance is not by numbers, but look at that. Children less than 3 are free. Children less than or equal to 11, $20. Adult greater than or equal to 12, $27. Senior citizen greater than 60 is $18. And there is a height requirement for each ride. It says here that if you are greater than 51, you can go to Fistful River and Super Flasher if your height is greater than 42. This one is your height is less than or equal to 60 inches, and this one if your height is less than or equal to 48 inches. So this is a great activity, application of the word. And these are some of the projects of my students. And this one is for my geometry, Bloom Ball. We call it Bloom Ball. All the lessons from first quarter to third quarter in geometry, like angles, scale drawing, composite figure, triangles. This one I like, this scale drawing, the real one and the drawing on paper. And this one is a good thing because this is a hexagonal thinking. This serves as a review. I gave them pieces of paper and they will connect it in order. And this is good for collaboration and group activity. And this is for my students who are doing well. If they got perfect score on the quizzes, summative test, and this tree was empty, and I call it Math Helps Me Bloom. So the tree is growing, and this one is my basic fraction in first quarter. So, and this is my seating arrangement, and this is one of the decorations that my students like. In this class, when they look at the mirror, they can see themselves, and this is what we call an image mirror. So, and also this is for my Pythagorean theorem. They created slides, but there's guidelines over here. And another one is a clock. They will create an equations with 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one. So my lesson is about measuring angles, and that's it. This is my beautiful classroom. Hope you get inspirations and motivation. So this one, when I practice, I put the blank results, poor results, great results, and whatever. And yeah, so I hope that you're inspired by my mathematics beautiful classroom.